How to download and set up Kimi AI application on your Android or iOS. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to learn how you can easily get started with the Kimi AI application, whether you are using your Android mobile device or tablets or even your iOS device. The process works for all. First of all, open your Google Play Store or your App Store from your device. Also make sure your device is connected to a stable internet, and once it is, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on the search button. In the search box at the top of the screen, type in Kimi AI. In the search results, look for the Kimi application from Moonshot AI and then tap on the install button to begin the download process. Now wait for the application to install, which will take a couple of minutes. Right after the application installs, tap on open and then agree to the terms and service of Kimi AI and you'll end up in this chat page. Now go to the top left corner of the screen and tap on the 3 horizontal menu button and then tap on the click to login button. From here, you can go ahead and continue signing up with your Google account or your phone number. Simply go ahead and choose any one option and follow through the prompts. After you do that, you will be able to get started with Kimi AI, and that is how you can easily download and get started with Kimi AI. Kimi AI is able to answer questions on any topic. It writes, edits, and improves text, brainstorms ideas and creative concepts, and explains complex topics simply. It can also translate between languages. It has the live web search capability, image generation and analysis, data analysis and visualization, and long context memory. In short, Kimi AI is an all-in-one AI assistant that can talk to you like a knowledgeable expert, search the live internet for current facts, make images from your description, analyze your data and file, and remember your preferences over time. So that's how you easily get started and download the Kimi AI application on your smartphone or tablets. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.